I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the world, appointed by God, Creator of the world, so that I am just performing my duty. Every day, Creator of the world is invite us at the house of His own world, and Creator of the world is always teaches us excellent lessons, and after then, God is instruct us to convey this beautiful message on the earth for benefit of entire all living beings and beautiful humanity. Today, Amrut Vela, early in the morning, God has teaches us excellent lessons. These lessons is I just conveying this message from this lesson. True path, true techniques, and real spirituality for me meet with God, get all powers from God, then perform duties as per God's order, for implements all plans of God in this seven beautiful world. Then we will see some points of these lessons. When God wishes for anybody to give his spiritual knowledges and powers, then become possible only to get path of God. Some stages we are learning spiritual path and journey, some stages here. Then anybody himself wishes and stand up for obtain God, then spiritual journey can be started from this point of anybody's life. Third, any person who wants to get God must find spiritual master, then follow spiritual practices under such real spiritual master. Fourth, spiritual master will remove all negative layers and all types of cumulative negative dirties from student's spiritual heart. These ways, spiritual master first open spiritual heart. Spiritual master open spiritual heart of his students. Then enter God's name and some spiritual divine powers of God in his student's heart by spiritual master's eyes. Then spiritual master do activation of spiritual hearts of his students. 7. Their spiritual students have to remember God's name with his heartbeats, lovefully, by seeing inside his heart. He has to remember God's names with heartbeats. 8. Then spiritual energy will start generate in hearts of students. 9. Then such spiritual energy will start flowing through blood flow and reach all 7 celestial souls in exist in human body. When lower self belly button will be enlightened, then negativities will be burned and removed by spiritual energy. 11. Then spiritual energy will reach head, mind, intellectual, sense of spiritual students. Then third eyes, this is called Anna, third eyes will open. This third eye is called a vision eye, can be opened by this spiritual energy. 12. After enlightenment of all seven celestial souls, mind, body, heart become fully charged with God's spiritual powers and spiritual divine energy. 13. With the help of such divine spiritual powers, spiritual students can start spiritual journey towards God's house. 14th, when spiritual students reach at house of the God, then God give him love, peace, spiritual special powers for serving entire mankind as a spiritual master. Then God appoint such spiritual persons as a spiritual masters for implementing all plans of God in this corporeal world and all seven beautiful worlds too. This is true path, true techniques, and real spirituality for meet with God. Get all powers from God, then perform duties as per God's orders for implements all plans of God in this seven beautiful world. This is the excellent techniques to meet with God and get powers from God. I am performing this my humble duty as a mother of the world, appointed by Creator of the world, and I am just serving my duty as a servant of God, as a servant of you all. I also believe that all persons have excellent noble experiences from their lives, so that I seek your noble experiences from your lives. Then I will perform my duty. I will spread your noble experiences in each and every corner of the world to all humankinds, all human beings, so that all persons, all people of the world can benefit from your noble experiences. You can send your noble experiences on my WhatsApp number +91 9898 375 375, and also send on my Facebook ID is as Swami Vishwa Anand. I am here praying to Almighty Creator of the world, Creator of the world as a God. Oh God, please make your blessings. Oh God, please make your blessings of showers on all living beings in these beautiful worlds and entire mankind, so that we can come out from the panic and pandemic coronavirus situation at present spreading in the entire world, so that humanity can get relief and come out from these coronavirus situations. Please, oh God, make your blessings ours on entire humanity. God bless up to next meeting, and oh God, please make us all living beings in this seven beautiful world. We become by your blessings healthy, wealthy and happy lives. I will meet you next meeting. Up to next meeting, I seek your kind permission to live here. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.